Good morning, you guys. Happy Vlogmas Day 23. Oh my goodness. I am honestly blown away that it's already December 23rd. We're 2 days away from Christmas. I'm seriously so excited. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me for a day in my life style vlog. I just finished getting ready for today and I painted my nails. They're like a really fun holographic color. Let me get the nail polish so I can get the brand for you real quick. It is by the company called Live Love Polish. Absolutely love it. They look so cool when you have flash on or in certain lighting. So I'm really excited to have this on my nails. That was probably very random, but I just finished painting them, so I'm really excited about it. But I'm gonna head over to my desk. I need to edit Vlogmas Day 22. I'm seriously so excited because it's a fun haul, and then I'll show you guys my outfit. Finished editing Vlogmas Day 22. I'll insert a card in case you guys want to check it out. I told you guys I would share with you my outfit. I am obsessed with it. So I just shared a Shein unboxing and I just got these pants in the mail from them, and oh my gosh, they're so cute, you guys. So my sweater is kind of like a vintage ski sweater. It's like a yoke sweater. I think that's what they're called. I don't know. Love it. And then these jeans are just kind of like high-waisted. I wouldn't say they're mom jeans, but they kind of look like mom jeans. But I love the light wash of them. They kind of have this rip on here. A little edgy for me, and I didn't know it was there when I ordered it, but I kind of like it. And then I just put on my VJ sneakers. I think it's a really fun look. On Instagram last night I was hardcore like for outfit inspiration on Julie. I don't know how to pronounce her last name. She used to go by Gal Meets Glam. I'll put her Instagram on the screen and link down below. But oh my gosh, I love her style so much in this outfit. Like, I feel like I tried to recreate one of her outfits. And I actually have a video about recreating some of her outfits, so I'll insert a card of that. It's really fun. It was a style steal. But me and my mom are gonna go run a few errands, and then me and John are meeting up for lunch. We're gonna have a call you later brainstorm sesh and just gonna have like a fun date day. So I wanna get my coat on and grab my purse, but I did get a package in the mail that I want to share with you guys really quickly. All right, you guys are all like balanced. So I got this package and it's seriously so cute, you guys. I found Beth's website on Instagram and I am obsessed. Like, look how cute her business card is. Oh my gosh, I will have her Instagram linked down below and on the screen as well. But she just said, Kelly, I'm so excited to be working with you. I reached out and I was like, oh my gosh, oops, sorry. I love everything on your site. Can we please do a collab? Like, please, 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 please. And she was so sweet and got back to me instantly. And she makes these Lily Pulitzer face masks. And I've been on the hunt for a face mask that's Lily Pulitzer. They're so expensive in store and she has them for a killer deal. This one is by far my favorite. I love this print. She was like, what print do you like? And I'm like, I don't know the names, but I'm starting my 45 days of pink challenge soon and anything pink will make me super happy. These are just so cute and so stunning. So you best believe I'm going to be wearing this one shopping today. I think it's so cute. So thank you so much, Beth, for sending these to me. I will have it linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Again, great prices and they're seriously great quality and I'm so excited. So you're going to be seeing me wear this all day and we are just gonna get going. I need to grab a coat. Alright guys, I'm with John.
Hi.
We're gonna go get lunch. I finished all my shopping with my mom. It went really well, which I was super excited about. And I showed John my cute mask that I got.
It's cute.
I like it.
It's nice.
Yeah, but we're gonna go get some lunch from McAllister's. Hi, John.
What up?
Hi. Hey guys, we're at the park.
What's up?
Hi.
How's it going?
Hi, John.
What's up?
And we are doing a photo shoot for Call You Later. It's really cold outside.
It's cold. I don't know how long we'll last.
But we got like a fancy camera and tripod and a photographer. Fingers crossed it goes well. Hi, John.
We're definitely able to see shadows.
Should we go to the back?
No, hop up here for me.
The photo shoot is going really well.
It is. We've gotten some cool pictures of both of us.
So you definitely need to check out our Instagram. It's Call You Later podcast. It's linked down below, but we're coming back on January 4th.
4th, soon.
I'm so excited, but we're just gonna keep photo shooting. Guys, we are going to a like drive-through Christmas light show. I'm seriously so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah,
it's gonna be so much fun. I've never done one of these before.
They're fun. I like them. They're really fun.
We'll have to like listen to some Christmas music or something.
Oh, okay.
Very festive.
Some of them have like a radio station that you tune into. I don't know if this one does. I'll have to see if there's a sign out for it.
Okay, yeah, we're in like the dark part right now. No! But I'll update you guys. Light show was a lot of fun. We're getting some dinner.
Dinner.
Excited?
Yes.
We're getting pasta.
Pasta.
Pasta. Ooh, look at that hair.
Fluffy.
Hello.
What's up?
I was so good at that stuff.
I am back home. I just threw my hair in a ponytail, took all my makeup off, and put my PJs on. So I think I might have shared these before, but this shirt is just from Vineyard Vines. It's one of the holiday shirts, and it has like the little whale with a Santa hat on the back. And then I just have on some Vineyard Vines snowman pants with some fun holiday socks because I am going to go wrap some presents. And thankfully, I finished all my holiday shopping this morning with my mom. I've never saved all my holiday shopping for this late. Like, I've always been like low-key a last-minute shopper, but like this is just bizarre for me. I'm thinking of that Instagram reel where like they're like, how bizarre. Oh my gosh. Okay, I spent too much time watching reels the other day, but anyways, we're gonna go wrap some presents. I'm gonna show you guys my gift wrap, and then I'm probably gonna end this vlog so I can get it edited and upload it so you guys can watch it and keep on my Vlogmas game. But we seriously have so many fun Christmas gift wraps. I'm so excited. I'm probably, honestly, like this one's my favorite. It has little Santa Clauses on it, and I like this one too because they're like ice skating polar bears. But I have so much to wrap, you guys. Before I start wrapping anything, just because a lot of my friends and family that I'm wrapping for watch my channel, I'm gonna be ending the vlog here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm just so happy that I got all my holiday shopping. I've been so stressed because I've been saving it, and then like I knew what I was gonna get everyone, but it's just like I didn't make time to go out and get it, and then it was like stuff that I couldn't order online, and I'm like, oh my goodness. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Hit that subscribe button down below if you guys are new, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 24. Oh my goodness, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. It's Christmas Eve when you guys are watching this. Bye guys.